Hi, I'm Magda from I'm a Little Creature. In this video I will show you what's inside March KNITCRATE membership. So let's open the box and then I tell you something about the KNITCRATE membership subscription. I'm working on my other project from KNITCRATE yarn. I hope by the end of next month I will show you my project. Okay, down. Really beautiful. And ta-da! I knew that this month I will get one skein, not two, because this is a really luxurious yarn. Okay, so it's really soft and the colors are beautiful. Let's look at the label. We have Knitology by KNITCRATE. Knitology sheen, you can read it. Colorway titmouse. Colors looks like a little bird. 75% merino wool, 15% silk, 10% cashmere, fingering weight 400 yards. Look at these beautiful colors. Yellow, it's a navy, and beautiful lavender colors. It's like a cappuccino. Let's look at this yarn. Beautiful. I like this yarn very much, and I will see, and I have to think about what to knit or crochet with this yarn. Okay, let's look at the other things. This is bag. I can keep my stuff here. Zip. We have zip. Really nice. Make something today. Beautiful. Thank you very much, KNITCRATE, for sending me this box, but this is not the end. We have monthly magazine, March, and let's look closer. What's inside? Table of contents. And this month KNITCRATE membership subscribers get 4 patterns. 4 patterns. 2 patterns are for 1 skein and 2 patterns are for 2 skein, because you can purchase an extra skein during a double down. So let's look at this. You have here on the bottom digital patterns available, link to digital patterns, so I can show you this. Time to shine. You see that this is $32 per skein. You pay for monthly subscription only $24.99. Theme is Whisper. With bated breath, we approach a change of season, from chilly winter to the early promise of spring, or from the heat of summer to the hope of a gentler autumn. Our theme, Whisper, is inspired by this wordless, quiet transition from one season to the next. And you have inspiration. Beautiful little bird. So colors are quite similar, don't you think? Let's look at this. And here is KNITCRATE membership. Yarn with a sparkle things. And patterns. The first knitting pattern for one skein is Birdseed. Birdseed by Hannah Thiessen. This is hat. Quite nice. And here we have a knitting bonus because this is a Penelope set. This is for 2 skein if you purchase an extra skein. But you have the pattern, so this is great. And here we have a crochet. Solennel, sorry if I didn't pronounce it properly, by Kendall Timko. We have a crochet for 1 skein. And let's look at the second one, crochet, but this is for 2 skein. Honeycomb Shawl by Bonnie Barker. What is great, you have an access to more patterns. A sock membership crate pattern. Here we have Triometry by Tracy Simster and artisan pop-up patterns. Because as I told you in the previous video, February was the last month for artisan and sock artisan crates, and the now KNITCRATE set up artisan pop-up shop where you can buy beautiful exclusive yarns. This month you have 2 yarns. The first one is a tactile dactyl and the second one done roving. And you can see the patterns. The first one is Magam Shawl by Irina P. Sorry once again if I didn't pronunciate it right. And the second one is Hibari Hat and Hand Warmers by the same designer. And you can see also the Leaf Dance by Tisserine Coquet, the designer Chloe Fortune Ravard. I checked if the yarn, the colorway Tactile Dactyl is in the shop, but it was probably sold because these yarns are limited and they are until sold out. So I recommend you to visit the KNITCRATE site. And what is great, if you are a new subscriber, you can get the second KNITCRATE box. It's a mysterious crate. You can get it for free, almost for free. You pay $5 for the shipping, and if you click the link that I'll give you in the video description, for this link you can use my discount coupon code and get 20% off of your first order. What is great, you can get value packs. You can buy these packs and you save the money because you have 3 or 10 pack yarns for a lower price. You can also visit magazine.knitcrate.com to read more and watch the video about the April early preview. Coming back to the booklet, it's great because I haven't heard about it, is listening some of our favorite yarn related podcasts. You can listen about yarn industry, about fibers, interviews with favorite designers, crafters. I definitely will try to use this. Sock pop-up shop review. You have beautiful this Chloe Fortune Ravard frolicking fit colorway, leaf dance pattern, and featured designers. Here they offer you codes, so you can use these codes. And here we have theme pick, April entomology. Beautiful, vivid colors. They get inspiration from bees, butterflies, and the other cute insects. Colorful. And in April we'll have two skins, not one skin, two skins of DK weight yarn, two colorways, Leaf Eater and Ladybug for membership subscription, and for sock membership crate you will get a Shield Bug. And I was shocked when I saw that the total value of this whole box, whole crate, is $67 because this skin is worth $32. You get 4 patterns for $5, each pattern for $5. So we have $20 and the extra $15. And you can subscribe this KNITCRATE membership for only $24.99. So you have to think that is it worth or is it not worth. I think it's definitely worth to try. In the video description I'll put some useful links, my unique link where you can use my discount code AMILC20 if you want to have a discount for the first crate and get an extra mysterious crate, and a link to KNITCRATE magazine. So thank you very much for watching. Look at these beautiful colors, Titmouse once again. I can't wait to make something with this yarn, but I have to think if I use patterns from this KNITCRATE subscription, or perhaps I will find other project, other patterns. I will see. I recommend you join in the Ravelry group to talk about this crate, and see you in next tutorials, next videos. I'm working on some new things. I hope I will finish it soon. So have a great time, happy crocheting and knitting, and I wish you to feel relaxed at this upcoming weekend. Bye!